how to extract oil from the olives. Okay.
Look, the first.
They put the olives here, right?
They put olives and other things. The
Okay.
other things go.
Okay. And then olives go like this.
Yes. They
They
clean
come-
it. They clean it.
They clean here, right? It's cleaning. Okay. And then
And then they
come
broke
here.
pipe, okay. And then the broken olives, they mix it.
What about the seeds of the olives?
What?
What of the seeds
No,
of?
no. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay. Look.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
This.
It's grinding.
another case called
It's grinding. Yeah.
Like 700 kilos.
It's all olives.
Yeah, pure
My
olives.
God.
Look at this.
I want to take something from Pakistan.
Come from this
Okay.
to this place.
Okay.
And it finished by this time. Okay. This olives. Just
Oh, okay. Great. And this is 100% olive oil, right?
yes, view. Look.
How much this bottle cost? It's 5 liter.
It's 5 liter.
How much is
it? It costs 150 dirhams.
150 dirham is like
150 dirhams. Like $15
$15.
or
$15.
15 euros.
ये 2,500 रुपए की बोतल है 5 लीटर की प्योर जो नजर आ रही है
Listen, what you.
Okay. So I'm here. I drink olive. That's really olive oil. Yeah, that's really pure. It's different what we get in Pakistan. And then we bring it here. And there's another one here. Okay.
يقولوا الشديدة ديال
Huh?
الشديدة
What is that?
هي
Okay.
ديال الأكل باش تعطي البخار للماء.
This is the one.
هذه ديال شهادي.
What is this? This
تعطي
one.
المدونة بالزيت.
It's in the olives.
Okay.
Inside olives.
Okay. What we do with this?
To burn it for to go hot water. Okay.
Okay. We use it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
All it being used. All.